Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have something truly exciting on our hands, the Nokia Magic Max 5G. I can't wait to dive into this one because it's not just any ordinary smartphone. It brings some truly unique features that are definitely going to surprise you. From its giant camera sensor to its innovative ceramic back, this phone is a beast in terms of design and performance. So let's get right into it and see what this Magic Max is all about. All right, let's get the box open. First thing you'll notice is that it comes with a 55-watt fast charger, which is super impressive for a phone of this caliber. We also have a slightly unusual adapter. It's not the standard circular one, it has an oval shape, and we'll talk about that a little later. Now let's talk about the camera sensor. Yes, you heard that right, the camera sensor. It's a separate unit that needs to be manually attached. Yes, manually. It's one of the biggest camera sensors we've seen on a smartphone, and it's definitely something Nokia is making a statement with. Now guys, here's where it gets really interesting. Look at this camera sensor. It's huge. And when I say huge, I mean it's probably the biggest camera bump I've seen on any smartphone. The sensor comes with a removable cap, so when you take it off, you get access to the actual sensor. It's a whole new experience, and you're going to be amazed at the results. Okay, so this is the test unit sent for review, which is why it has this protective case over it. It's just to ensure the device survives the transit without any damage. Now let's talk about the build quality. This is the Indian variant, and the first thing that strikes you is that massive camera bump. Seriously, it's so big, you can actually balance the phone on its camera bump when placed on a surface. It's no joke. This thing is massive, and it gives the phone a really futuristic and premium look. Nokia has definitely gone all out with this one. Let's jump right into the camera specifications. This phone comes with a triple camera setup, and it's a powerhouse. The primary camera is a 50 megapixel sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, which is perfect for those sharp and steady shots. Then we have a 48 megapixel wide-angle lens that gives you a broader view. But wait, there's more. A 48 megapixel telephoto lens with a 120x zoom. Yes, you heard that correctly. You can zoom into details that would normally be impossible with any other phone. Let's flip the phone over. On the back, we have something super unique, a secondary display. It's a smaller screen, but it adds so much utility. It's very similar to some of the Xiaomi models we've seen, but with a touch of Nokia's magic. And guess what? The back of the phone is made of ceramic. Yep, you heard that right. The feel is super smooth, high quality, and the shine is just incredible. It's not something you see often in this price range, but Nokia has truly nailed the premium build here. Now, when you unlock the phone with the fingerprint sensor, there's something really cool that happens. You get this bubble-like vibration feedback. It's a small touch, but it makes unlocking feel so much more fun and interactive. The sensor is quick and accurate, and the haptic feedback just adds a bit of extra flair. Now let's talk about the camera performance, because that's where this phone truly shines. The primary camera captures incredible detail, and the colors are just so vibrant and true to life. The wide-angle lens is fantastic too. Even in low light, the photos hold up really well. The telephoto lens though, that's where the magic happens. You can zoom in as far as 120x, and I've got to say, the level of detail it retains is truly mind-blowing. We also have a macro mode, but the minimum focus distance is a little shorter than expected, so you may not get the extreme close-ups you might want, but the quality is still great. Now for one of the most exciting features of the Nokia Magic Max, 8K video recording. Yes, you can shoot in 8K at 24 frames per second on all three cameras. That's right. The primary, wide-angle, and telephoto lenses all support 8K video recording. The stabilization on the 8K footage is absolutely stunning. Nokia has really upped their game here, making sure that even in the most intense situations, your videos stay smooth and steady. And let's not forget about the microphone. The audio capture is super crisp and clear, making it a great choice for vloggers and content creators. Let's take a quick break and talk about the display. This phone boasts a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate. Whether you're watching videos, scrolling through social media, or gaming, the experience is buttery smooth. The colors are vibrant, the blacks are deep, and the overall viewing experience is top-notch. Under the hood, the Magic Max 5G is powered by the latest Snapdragon chipset, ensuring that you get the best performance, whether it's for gaming, multitasking, or anything in between. Battery life is always an important consideration, and with the Nokia Magic Max, you're looking at a massive 5,000 milliamp hour battery. Paired with that 55-watt fast charger, you can go from 0 to 100 in no time. It's perfect for those of you who are always on the go and need a quick power up. And with the 5G capabilities, you'll have lightning fast internet speeds, whether you're streaming, gaming, or browsing. On the software side, Nokia has been known for its clean Android experience, and the Magic Max is no different. It runs a near stock version of Android with a few extra features thrown in to enhance your experience. The UI is sleek, smooth, and easy to navigate, and Nokia promises regular software updates to keep the phone running at its best. So, there you have it, guys, the Nokia Magic Max 5G. This phone is packed with incredible features. The huge camera sensor, 8K video recording, secondary display, ceramic back, and so much more. It's definitely a phone that's pushing the boundaries of what we expect from smartphones today. If you're into photography, videography, or just love a premium design, this phone might be the one for you. What do you think of the Nokia Magic Max? Is it a game changer or just another gimmick? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.